A small oversight of Boolean knife was the lack of an F9 option for cut through. So to demonstrate that in action, let us shift A and we'll add a mesh plane above this, and I'll just SX and we'll just move it off to the side, and let us just bevel this. Maybe press 2 in order to vert bevel with the profile of 0.5, and after clicking to apply, after making both the bevels meet, we'll just put a weld with nothing really changed on it. Maybe roll it up just a little bit just to make sure that it works out right. And looking at this from top view, we can just shift select our main object, and now we have an option inside of our Q menu for us to choose to basically use knife. And if we just shift click knife, then we perform a knife project. And the easiest way to probably show this to you would be to split the view and rotate the view, and in this view enable wireframe. And from here I can now use the F9 in this alternative view that's our original view for us to toggle cut through off and on, and you can see that that enables us to basically cut through the mesh. And this is just a part of Blender, but we never actually added it to our original knife, so just letting users know that this is now an option if you're using the HardOps knife Boolean, that now in the F9 there's an option to use cut through.